In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple events at once in Google Calendar. Have you ever found yourself staring at a cluttered calendar, wishing you could just wipe the slate clean without the tedious task of deleting events one by one? Well, you're in luck. Today, we'll navigate through some straightforward steps to streamline this process, allowing you more time to focus on what really matters. First, you'll want to open your Google Calendar on your preferred internet browser. Simply head to the Google Calendar homepage and log in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a good look at your calendar interface. Here, you'll be able to see all your events lined up on the days they're set. Now let's make this grid a bit less congested. Look for the event that you want to delete. It's important to note whether the events are linked or part of a repeating series. If you just need to clear out one-off events, this is pretty straightforward. Click on the event you want to remove. A small pop-up will appear, providing you with the event details. Inside this pop-up, tap on the trash bin icon or the button that says Delete. Voila! That event is out of your calendar. However, if you're dealing with a slew of recurring events, you'll need to handle these a bit differently. Click on one of the occurrences of the repeated event. When the pop-up appears, you should see an option that allows you to determine what events in this series are affected. Here, you can choose to delete just this instance, delete all following occurrences, or remove the entire series altogether. Selecting the right option is crucial, especially if some future instances of the event should remain. If you're still looking at a jumble of standalone events cluttering your schedule, there's another trick up our sleeves. Although Google Calendar doesn't provide a direct feature to bulk delete non-recurring events, exporting your calendar data can be a workaround for cleaning up multiple entries efficiently. Consider exporting your calendar and using applications or scripts that support bulk operations on calendar entries, but proceed with caution to ensure you don't lose important appointments by mistake. Remember, keeping your calendar decluttered not only saves you time, but also ensures that your digital space reflects the well-organized rhythm of your daily life, lessening stress and increasing productivity. So there you have it, a quick dive into making your digital organizing a whole lot easier. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Now go ahead, clear up your calendar, and enjoy a more streamlined schedule. Until next time.